Welcome to Google Tech. Today we are going to see another method of message box which is famously used to make decision on the program which we are getting executed, which is VB message box, which shows yes or no option for the user. So are you excited to know? Yes, even I am excited to share the information. Before jumping into video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and enable all notification. Let's go. So the last video we have discussed the uses of message box, and we have seen the different styles of message box which is available. So now here today in this video we are going to see VB message box with the option of yes or no. So to know more about message box, I have given the link in the description and also in the I button. You just visit and come back here for more understanding. Now today we are going to see message box with yes or no option, which enable the user to make decision on the program. So let's not waste time, just jump into the program. Go to your Excel, Developer tab, Visual Basic, and click on Insert Module. So today the thing is like I am creating a subroutine named as message box with condition. So let's say I am creating a program where for a variable a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c is equal to 30. So now I need to give a condition. If the user want to add these three values, if they click on S, it should add these values and get the answer out of it. If it is no, then it should display this is only for the additional purpose. So how to give the condition? Let's see. So here after this I am assigning a variable answer, which is we are going to get it from the result which the user is going to select. So answer is equal to message box, which is a syntax for message box, and we need to give a question and ask a question to the user how you want to proceed. So here our condition is to check either they want to sum these variables which is given over here. So what I'm asking is, do you want to add or sum these values? And then I'm giving as VB question, and also we need to add VB yes or no condition, right? So plus this will concatenate, which means which will add the buttons to the message box. So I'm giving VB yes or no, and then I'm giving the title for the message box, which is the user selection, because the user is going to select this one. So I'm giving the user as user selection. That's it. So now we have asked the question to the user. Let's try with running this program. If you can go step by step by pressing F8. So yes, I am getting the values. The title as user selection, and the question mark is, do you want to sum these values? Yes or no. But we have not given the condition over here. It's not functioning anything. So now we have to give the condition for that. Let's end this program. So now our major part is to define the condition where we will get the desired output, which is entered by the user. So now I have a simple condition which is to sum the values or not. Now I am giving a condition which is, if my answer is equal to VB yes, then declare, I'm just adding a variable which which will add the values which is already declared a plus b plus c, and then display the message box. Hey, your answer is, I'm using the concatenate, no, ampersand to concatenate the values and the variable, which variable is our d, and then I'm giving it as VB information and the title as results, and else, which is we have given only one condition, else. We can display the message box stating we have not defined any other action, right? So we can mention as we have not, or else we can say selection is out of the box. The selection which you made is out of the box. Then VB information, or we, let's say this is a critical, right? We can say it as VB critical, and then the title is selection out, then end the if condition. Now the program is done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm executing the program for you in a step by step so that you will understand how it is working. Let's say for it's design the values, everything. Now I'm giving the value which is s, it is checking the condition yes, it's adding the value, and then you can see, hey, your answer is 60, which is perfect, and then ending the program. So now I'm selecting test for no, and you can see selection out, which is selection out of the box. So this is how we are using VB yes or no using within the message box, which to execute the program based on the user. Even you can do some magics with the help of this program, with the same message box function. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do watch and add your comments how this video is useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, bye. Jai Hind.